Hey everyone, in today's video we'll be tackling the problem of your Instagram Reels not showing up. What can you do to fix it? And what are the alternatives? Okay, so I think pretty much all of you are familiar with Instagram Reels. If you're searching a problem to solve them, there are the little short little clips in the middle. And if they're not popping up, the first thing you should do is probably check if you're using the latest version, because Reels are kind of a relatively new feature, not the oldest, not the newest. So be sure to be on the newest version of Instagram because they change them constantly. So if you're on the older one, they may not be running properly, or you might not have them at all. So make sure to be up to date. But you should definitely have them if you're up to date. If you aren't having them, then you should do the following. Go to your profile, click on the three little dots, settings, and click help. Once you've done that, click on the little report a problem button right here and click report a problem. And here you can briefly explain what happened or what's not working. You can even take a screenshot, send it to them, and they will respond you shortly with how to fix it or to address the issue, because problem actually of these cases get taken care of relatively quick by Instagram. So those are the methods to fix this and to attend it. Hope this helped you, and if it did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you, and see you again next time. Have a nice day.